Today I will teach you how you can set up FFmpeg for Windows 10. First of all, we have to download FFmpeg zip file from FFmpeg official releases. So just visit FFmpeg official website. Just go to the download section of FFmpeg website. Inside download section, choose Windows. Now visit this item, Windows build from gyan.dev. Inside Windows builds, just scroll to the release section of this site. Here's the release section and visit the mirror link. You can download any of the following, but the most preferred one is the second one. Just download this zip file. I already have this file downloaded on my system, so I don't need this. Once your download is complete, you can unzip this file to any directory you want. For example, I want to extract this file inside the E directory. Okay. Once the file has been extracted, all you need is to open the file that you have extracted and go to the bin folder. Just copy the path to this folder and you have to add this path to the system variables. The reason we have to add this path to the system variables is that we want to access the FFmpeg library from our command prompt. So just go to this PC, go to properties, and from the properties you go to the advanced system settings, and inside the advanced system settings go to environment variables. Just edit the path and add a new path and just paste the path that you have recently copied from the bin folder. Just click OK. Okay. Okay. Now if you open the command prompt and you type ffmpeg version, as you can see, this shows that FFmpeg is successfully installed in our system. So we can use it for video editing. So please subscribe to my channel if you want videos related to FFmpeg. In the next video, I will show you how you can use FFmpeg for converting audio files like MP3 files to other audio formats like MP3 to FLAC, MP3 to WAV, or vice versa. I will show you how you can convert them using FFmpeg, and you can also alter the bitrate of MP3 files. Thank you.